Hello children, hope you are fine and safe. This video is taken from class 8 book, chapter number 1, Advanced Feature of Windows 7. In the previous video, you must have seen the part 1 of this chapter in which we have done how to open Windows Explorer, libraries in Windows 7, changing the view of file and folders, and we have seen the different way in which we can see our file and folders. This video of computer will help you to organize file and folders in Windows Explorer. Once we create a file or folder, now we can manage it in different ways, as we can make a copy of file and folder, we can change its name, we can move the copy and folder somewhere or in another location, or we can delete our files and folders. This video will help you to understand the different way of organizing the files and folders. This video contains the following topics. The main part of this video is to just inform how to organize files and folders in Windows Explorer. Further, it is followed by the another topics such as opening files and folders, creating new folders, renaming files and folders, selecting all files and folders, deleting files and folders, moving files and folders, copying files and folder, and how to copy the data from pen drive to hard disk. At last, we will see how can we view the properties of files and folders. Let us discuss all these topics one by one. As we start this video, let us first discuss how can we open file or folder. Children, it is very important, if you want to open any file or folder, that file must exist in the memory of computer. We have to follow the following steps to open a file and folder. Step 1, select a folder. Step 2, click on open button or open option to open all files and folders in a selected folders. Below given a picture which help you to open a file. In this picture you will come to know we have to select the folder, and the step 2 is click on open button which is given next to the organize button. Click on that button and open the file which you want to take. This slide will help you to create a new folder. We want to keep all our files at one place. For that, we are making a separate folder. Now let us start it. How to create new folder? We have to follow the following steps. Step 1, select a folder from the left pane. Step 2, click on new folder option from menu control bar. See the picture given below. Select the folder, that will be the first step. See the arrow which shows select the folder. In step 2, click on the new folder. This is given on the menu control bar. Just click this option which is given on the menu control bar, that is new folder. So the new folder is created. See the right side of this slide. Now you can type the name. If you want to keep the name of your own, you can write your name in this or on the top of this folder. Now it is very easy for you to identify your own folder. Here we go with the next topic of this slide, renaming files and folder. Once you have given the name to the file and folder, it is quite easy to change the name of the file or the folder. Following other steps, select a folder whose names you want to change. Step 2, click on Rename option from Organize menu. Step 3, type the required name for the files and folder. Below shows a picture. The first step is to select the folder or the file whose name you want to change. Step 2, you will have to click on the option Rename from Organize menu. Step 3, see the right side of the slide where option 3 is given. Type the required name. You have to change the name. Give the new name to the file and folder. Now when you see, the name of the file is now changed. Selecting all files or folders, we can click on Select All option from Organize menu to select all files or folders. Children, we can select all the files to work on all together. For example, we want to delete all the files or we want to delete all the folders. For that, this option will be very helpful to us. We hold down Ctrl key and click on the desired file to select non-adjacent files or folders randomly. It means if we want to select a few files, not all the files, we can use the Ctrl key to select those files which are not in the Swiri. We can select first file, then click on Ctrl key, then we can select third file. Keeping pressing Ctrl key, we can select any file randomly. Deleting files or folders, we follow the following steps to delete a file or a folder. Children, if we don't want some of the files, we have to make our computer free to store another data. For that, we have to delete a file or a folder which is not required. Following other steps to delete a folder or a file. Step 1, select the desired file or the folder. Step 2, click on Delete option from Organize menu. Step 3, click on Yes to delete file or files from the Delete folder dialog box. Following other steps. Step 1, see the picture. This arrow will help you to go for step 1, select file or folder. See step 2, click on Delete option. This option is given from the Organize menu. Step 3 is just to confirm whether you want to delete the file or you want to save. Click on Yes to delete the file from the Delete folder dialog box. If you click on Yes, the file will be deleted and will restore in recycle bin. If you say no, the file will not be deleted. So this option is very important, whether you want to delete the file permanently or temporarily. Moving files or folders, this option will help us to change the location of files or folder. We have to follow the following steps. Step 1, select the desired file or folder. Step 2, click on Cut option from Organize menu. Step 3, select the desired location where the files or folder is to be moved. Click on Paste option from Organize menu. The file get pasted on the new location. Below picture will help us to change the location of a place. Step 1, select file or folder as given with the help of arrow key. Step 2, click on Cut. The next slide will help us to complete the process of moving. In the second step, we'll see after giving the command or clicking on the command cut, we have to select the folder for the new location. Step 3 will help us to select the new place for the file, and step 4 is for paste. The shortcut key for cut is Ctrl plus X, and the shortcut key for the paste is Ctrl plus V. In the right hand side of this slide, we see the paste option and the file is placed on the new location. Copying files or folder, we will make a duplicate file if the file exists, or we can make a duplicate folder if the folder exists. For that, we have to follow the following steps. Step 1. Select the desired file or folder to be copied. Step 2. Click on copy option from organize menu. Step 3. Select the new folder location where a file or folder is to be copied. Step 4. Click on paste option. This option is given in the next slides. With the help of picture, we will do this option. This is pictography of copying a file. Step 1. Select the folder or the file which you want to copy. Step 2. Click copy from the organize menu. Now step 3 will help us to take a place or select the location where the folder is to be copied, and step 4 is to click on paste. For the same, we have another keywords also. Copy. For copy, we have the option Ctrl plus C. That is the shortcut key for copy option. For paste, the key shortcut is the same. That is Ctrl plus V. Tips to copy data from pen drive to hard disk. The steps are: insert the pen drive, click on open folder to view file option from the autoplay dialog box, select the desired file to be copied, right click on the file, select copy option, select a location on the hard disk to paste the file, right click on the screen and select paste option. Children, we revise the steps once again. Insert the pen drive in the slot, click on open folder to see the files which are available on the pen drive. Then select the files which you want to copy in hard disk. After selecting the files, right click on the file. That means we are taking or selecting those files which we want to copy. Select copy option. After selecting these options, click a location on a hard disk. We will take the folder on which the files are being pasted. After taking the location on the hard disk, give the command paste. The shortcut key for the paste is Ctrl plus V. Right click on the screen to select the paste option. After making a copy of the files from pen drive to hard disk, we have to take the pen drive out of the computer system. For that, we have to remove the pen drive. Click on safely remove hardware option to remove the pen drive. When we give this command, it will show you for our confirmation whether we want to remove the hard disk or not. When we confirm, yes, we want to remove the pen drive can be safely removed from the computer slot. This slide will help you how to view the properties of file or folder. Following other steps. Step 1. Select a file or folder. Step 2. click on Properties option in Organize menu, we can click the properties from the Property dialog box. Below is a picture which help you to view the properties of files. Step 1. Select the file or the folder. Step 2. Click on Properties from the Organize menu. Now see the right side of the slide which help you to show the properties of this particular file, that is the name of the file, its type, location, the file when it is created or modified. So now we'll come to know how to view the properties of files or folder. That's enough for this video. Children, I hope you understand the different way of organizing file or folders, that is how to make copy, how to move the file, how to open file or folder, delete a file, change the name of the file. Keep watching the next video for learning how to make shortcut on the desktop, how to copy the files to CD or DVD, what are operating system, and what is MS Window. Thank you. Have a nice time.